Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to allow websites to access motion sensors on Google Chrome using your mobile device. If you've ever visited a site that uses features like screen rotation, movement-based controls, or step counting and it didn't work properly, there's a good chance motion sensors are turned off in your Chrome settings. Don't worry, fixing this only takes a few quick steps. First, start by opening the Chrome app on your mobile device. This is the same Chrome you use for browsing the web every day. Once it's open, look to the top right corner of your screen and tap on the three dots. This opens the main Chrome menu where you'll find all your browsing tools and settings. Next, scroll down through the menu and tap on Settings. This will take you to a new screen with different options for customizing your browsing experience. From here, find and tap on Site Settings. This section controls what permissions websites have when you visit them, things like camera access, notifications, location, and of course, motion sensors. Once you're inside Site Settings, scroll down until you see the option labeled Motion Sensors. Tap on it to open its settings. Now you'll see a simple toggle switch next to Motion Sensors. If it's turned off, that means websites currently don't have permission to access your device's motion data. To allow them, just toggle it on. When it's on, Chrome will permit sites to use your phone's motion sensors for interactive features and experiences. And that's